Let me talk to you a little bit about the enterprise traction you're seeing, because for the first time, you've actually updated the number of business teams. Those are your business customers. Since the S1 nearly a year ago when you guys went public, that was 300,000. Now you're at 400,000. I know you don't break out by SKU, but can you give us some color on what kind of businesses you're capturing and what kind of business you're targeting in the year ahead?
Yeah, so we have businesses of all shapes and sizes, and we're really proud of the scale where we're operating. And 400,000 is a big number by any standard, but it's the way we reach businesses is often people start using Dropbox at home, they bring it into work, and we have a self-serve model which drives a lot of our adoption and our revenue. So, and then as those customers become bigger, then they become more traditional enterprise deployments and go wall to wall.
In the year ahead, who are you targeting? Smaller, medium businesses, or are you going after some of the big guys? I saw one analyst said that you guys were actually taking big customers away from Box.
Well, so we get customers of all shapes and sizes, and that's one of the strengths of our model, is because we have over 500 million registered Dropbox users, and those people take Dropbox into millions of different businesses, and now 400,000 which are paying customers. And so it's a really efficient model because we're able to reach a lot of those business customers without having to have as large of a sales team.
Is there a segment that you're going after or that you find are gravitating towards Dropbox? Is it the smaller guys or the bigger businesses?
Well, we often find that it's both small businesses and team deployments in larger companies. And so someone buying a 10-seat team in a very large company, and then 10 becomes 100 people, becomes 1,000 people. And so that bottom-up adoption and that viral expansion is a really powerful lever for growth for us.
Are you taking businesses away from other companies like Box? Is that true?
we are, absolutely.
Okay. Let's also talk about the acquisition you made this quarter, HelloSign. Are you looking for more deals? Is that sort of a theme that we can expect from Dropbox in the year ahead?
Yes. So M&A has been a great lever for us to grow the company, and that was true in the early days when we would where we acquire companies to accelerate our product roadmap, and especially now as a public company in our scale with our balance sheet, we can grow the business that way too. And HelloSign's a great company. We're really excited to add them to our platform.
Tell me how HelloSign is going to help you guys grow your business and differentiate you guys across this sort of crowded landscape and very competitive landscape.
Well, it helps us increase our TAM, our opportunity, because it's a use case that many of our customers have, and we wanted to take HelloSign's product and their existing business, which is already really successful, and combine it with our platform and our scale, so that we can accelerate their growth. And so it's a great example of being able to accelerate our entry into a new market and leverage the power of our platform and distribution.
Okay, my last question for you. You're now 1 year in as a public company. We've got a whole other crop of IPOs coming up this year. Any advice that you would give to some of the up-and-coming public CEOs? Have you talked to any of them?
I have. I mean, we've had a great life as a public company. We just had a really strong first year, ended the year with a strong quarter, operating at big scale, about $1.4 billion in revenue, so healthy growth and margins. So my advice to the next crop of founders and CEOs going public is that you win or lose your IPO years before you go on the road. And so our thinking was that we know our report card as a public company is going to really be about our fundamentals, and so we've spent the last couple of years laying the tracks to make sure that we have a strong foundation, sustainable business, and we've built a really great team to help us operate really effectively as a public company.
Right. We'll see how the other guys fare.